Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you event in JavaScript. First, we need an object in HTML. Suppose button ID, event ID, click button. We'll retrieve the button object with the DOM, document object model API, and we'll set our event. Suppose button document dot get element by ID, and its ID is event ID. The ID name, we can set whatever we got the object by document object model API document.get element by ID. Now we're gonna set our event button dot add event listener, button dot add event listener function. The first parameter is the event name, suppose click, and second parameter is function. We set the definition with the flat arrow. Suppose we'll do an alert. Event file click event file. Same way we can do with the query selector. Query selector. The tag name button. Query selector. Query query selector. Button event is file. We can set the event attributes into the tag. This is the button tag. We can set an event. Suppose on click fire. In this double quotation, we will set our JavaScript. We are calling the function fire the event could be on click, on change, on blur. According to our need, we'll set our event name. Double click. Thanks for watching this tutorial.